Baby. Watch him. Look. Okay. Look. I knew he was going to go get it. Watch, he likes it when they go up on the side of the thing, baby. Yeah, he likes it. I don't know why. Get it, turtle. Get him, turtle. There you go. Are you recording? Get it, baby. There you go. Baby, yeah, look. You see how some of them worms do? They be fighting. They be trying to wrap around them. He be taking his little hand and moving them. Get him, turtle. Eat him. Victoria don't like to watch him eat worms, baby. She's like, ew, Esperanza, that's nasty. Dang, chew it up, turtle. You swallowing them whole or what? Get it some more, baby. From outside in the bucket.
Hey, go get it that one, baby.
No, he ain't. I told you he's gonna go in that bucket. Watch him. See what he does. Maybe he's gonna get it for himself. Watch him trying to eat it through the bucket, baby.
You wanna eat like Tio, all of them one time. You can't, motherfucker.
He's like, look in there. Would you look in here? Look in here. Get him, turtle. Look, baby, he don't know how to get it. Turn it to the side, baby. The cup. You see the worms, they play like they're dead, baby. They no moving. For turtle, no eat it.
Damn, turtle.
Dang, turtle. You hungry, buddy? Look. Oh, baby, take it out. Maybe that thing's going to cut his skin. The cup. No darn, baby. I don't want it to hurt him. Don't put it on him. More. Turtle, back up, man. You can't do that. Quit sleeping.
You got
like
it,
this.
baby. Uno. You got it, you see?
Every time he lay on the food, baby. I don't know why Turtle does that.
He be crazy.
He did that to his tomatoes yesterday. And then he dookied on him. I was like, you're nasty, dude, for real. Get out of there. Turtle, why are you going for those ones? Go get your other ones. Look. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Go get them, Turtle. They're moving. Ew, don't that look nasty right there? They're all just moving. Ew, Turtle. Get him, Turtle. Look, he's like, yeah, boy. Attack of the worms. Dang, Turtle. Baby, when we get our place, I want to go buy one thing for like the fish, the big one, or I can make him one too, you know. Actually, I could make one for him.
And these people who got a mucho niños, you can watch them, baby.
Oh yeah?
Hell yeah.
Cool.
Only you don't want to be smoking in the front of the people for nothing shit like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Only smoking when nobody's there and the niños not there.
Yeah.
You know?
You can buy me the electric cigarette. You can buy from me? Okay. Heck yeah, baby. I would like that, you know? They give me something for doing too, and I'd still be in the house, you know?
I hear they talking